Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation titled The Metals of Life, a deeper dive into bioinorganic chemistry. In this video, we will explore how metals and other inorganic elements play important roles in living system. We will explain how this metal functions in the human body, medicine, the environment, and industry. Before we begin, let us introduce our group members. The group members consist of me, Syahmi, Sufi, Fenanda, and Valpert. Now let us begin with the introduction of bioinorganic chemistry. So, what is bioinorganic chemistry? Bioinorganic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies the role of inorganic elements, especially metal ions in living systems. It focuses on how these metals interact with biological molecules such as proteins, enzymes, and nucleic acid. This field combines the knowledge of inorganic chemistry, biology, and medicine to help us understand how life functions at the molecular level. Metals are very important in living systems because many biological processes cannot happen without them. Metal ions have a special properties such as the ability to transfer electrons, bind strongly to biomolecules, and exist in different oxidation states. These properties allow metals to support many chemical reactions in the body. For example, iron helps transport oxygen, zinc helps activate enzymes, and copper is involved in electron transfer. What does bioinorganic chemistry study? Bioinorganic chemistry mainly studies metalloproteins and metal enzymes, which are proteins and enzymes that contain metal ions and need them to function properly. It also studies metal homeostasis, which is how organisms control metal levels in the body. This is important because too little metal can cause deficiency, while too much can be toxic. Bioinorganic chemistry is important because it helps us understand how metals support life processes. This knowledge is applied in many areas, including medicine, environmental science, industrial, and energy application. Due to many recent scientific advances, bioinorganic chemistry continues to be a highly relevant and important field of study.
Next, we are moving on to metals in natural systems. Now, we know that metals are very important in daily life as well as in natural systems. We know that it is crucial for catalyzing vital biological reactions such as electron transfer and oxygen binding. Therefore, I'm here to explain some of the examples such as from cobalt and from copper. What are their uses in our natural systems? Next is cobalt or CO2+. This is the core element in vitamin B12 or cobalamin. The body doesn't produce this vitamin, but it is vital for humans and we can gain it from external consumption, such as from food. It is essential for the formation of red blood cells and the regulation for neurological functions such as signal transferring. Enzymatic reactions include methionine synthase, whereby cobalt or CO2+ will convert homocytosine into methionine to prevent cardiovascular and neurological damages. Next, we are moving on to copper, Cu+ or Cu2+. It serves as a critical cofactor in cuproenzymes involved in energy production, iron metabolic activity, and neuroprotection. Some of the bodily functions include specific proteins will transport Cu2+ to its target organ to prevent toxicity. Next, Cu2+ is required in the brain dopamine beta hydroxylase for the production and activation of neuropeptide in the brain.
Now we move on to metals in medical and pharmaceutical industry. So, metals such as zinc are often incorporated into those industries because they possess superior mechanical property, they are resistant to corrosion, and also some of them, like silver, possess antimicrobial property. They play an important role in improving healthcare outcome and also the patient quality of life. So here we have metals that are often used in medical industry. For titanium, they are often used to making orthopedic implants that are put inside our bone because they are strong and they are able to integrate well with our body tissue. As for platinum and iridium, They are one of the key components in making pacemaker due to their electrical conductivity, and they are resistant to corrosion. As for other metals such as gadolinium, they are used in MRI machines because of their paramagnetic component. For metals in pharmaceutical industry, they are mostly found inside supplements such as iron, which are found inside iron supplements to treat iron deficiency anemia. Platinum, which can be found in some essential drugs to treat certain cancers such as ovarian cancers, while silver is found inside topical ointments and usually used to treat wounds because of their antimicrobial properties.
Bioorganic chemistry in the environment. Metals are naturally found in soil, water, and many ecosystems. Many microorganisms depend on metal ions such as iron and manganese to survive. These metals are part of enzymes that help carry out essential processes like nutrient cycling, decomposition of organic matter, and natural detoxification. Without these metal-based systems, many environmental processes would not function properly. For example, iron is used in nutrient cycling and manganese is used for breaking down inorganic compounds. Bioorganic chemistry is also widely used in industry. Bioremediation also uses microorganisms to remove environmental pollution. I will explain what is bioremediation in a bit. Next, metal-containing enzymes are applied in industrial biotechnologies to make processes more efficient and environmentally friendly. Compared to traditional chemical methods, these biological systems speeds up reaction, require less energy, produces fewer pollutants, and reduce industrial wastes. These are commonly used in wastewater treatments, chemical manufacturing, and fermentation industries. Okay, let me explain bioremediation. Bioremediation is a natural process that uses living organisms, primarily microorganisms, to remove or neutralize contaminants from the environment, making it a crucial method for environmental cleanup. Definition and process. Bioremediation refers to the use of biological systems, particularly microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, to degrade or detoxify pollutants in various environments, including soil, water, and air. This process can occur naturally or can be enhanced by human intervention to accelerate the breakdown of harmful substances. Bioorganic chemistry also contributes to sustainable energy development. Scientists study metal-containing enzymes to design clean energy technologies, such as hydrogen, fuel production, and solar energy conversion. This system often uses abundant metals like iron, nickel, and reducing the need for expensive toxic materials. This makes energy production more sustainable and environmentally friendly. For example, iron and nickel. Enzymes used for hydrogen fuel production. Iron and nickel enzymes are also called as hydrogenases and are found in some microorganisms and help produce hydrogen gases by combining protons and electrons. These enzymes work naturally without pollution or high energy, making hydrogen production efficient. Scientists study these enzymes because they can inspire clean and sustainable hydrogen fuel production, which is important as hydrogen is a green energy source that only produces water when used. For more information about this, about hydrogenases and how it produces hydrogen fuel, you can watch on the YouTube link that I put on the right side, the picture on the right side. That is the video that explain the process of hydrogenases of making hydrogen fuel in a more in-depth way. In conclusion, bioorganic chemistry helps us understand how metals are not just elements but essential components of life itself, from metal ions and enzymes that drive vital biological processes to their use in modern medicine and sustainable industrial applications. This field plays a major role in improving human health and environmental technology. As science continues to advance, bioorganic chemistry will remain important in connecting chemistry with biology to solve real-world problems and support future innovations.